In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an email address or domain in Outlook. If you want to make sure important messages don't get sent to your junk folder, adding a sender or domain to your safe list is a simple and useful step. This tells Outlook that you trust emails coming from that address or domain, which can help improve delivery to your inbox. To get started, open Outlook and go to your mail section. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your Outlook preferences and email options. When the settings area opens, find the mail category. Under Mail, click on Junk Email. This section is where Outlook lets you manage blocked senders, safe senders, and filtering behavior for incoming messages. Next, look for the Safe Senders and Domains section. This is the area you'll use to approve trusted email addresses or entire domains. If you only want to allow messages from one specific sender, you can enter that exact email address. If you want to trust all emails from a company or organization, you can add the domain instead. Be careful when doing this and only whitelist senders you genuinely trust. Now click Add Safe Sender. A small entry box will appear, and this is where you'll type the specific email address you want to whitelist. If needed, you can also enter a domain in this same area depending on what you want Outlook to allow. After typing it in, click OK to confirm the entry. This adds the sender or domain to your safe list, but you're not quite finished yet. To make sure the change is applied properly, click Save. Once you save, Outlook will update your settings and keep that sender or domain in your Safe Senders and Domains list. Going forward, messages from that source are less likely to be flagged as junk. As a helpful tip, if you're still missing emails after whitelisting someone, it's a good idea to check your junk folder and move any existing messages from that sender into your inbox. That can sometimes help reinforce that the sender is safe. Also, review the address carefully before saving it so there are no typing mistakes, because even a small error can prevent the whitelist from working as expected. And that's it. You've successfully whitelisted an email address or domain in Outlook, helping make sure important emails reach your inbox more reliably.